looking for a place to stay while in Cagayan de Oro City? This modern studio condominium unit is located at the heart of Cagayan de Oro City. This place is your home away from where you feel this place as your own. Offering city views, this condominium accommodation set in Cagayan de Oro, 800 meters from Department of Foreign Affairs Cagayan de Oro and 800 meters from Ayala Centrio Mall. Free Wi-Fi is featured throughout the property and private parking is available on site for a fee. With one queen-size bed, this air-conditioned apartment features one bathroom with a bidet, a shower and free toiletries. There is a seating area, a dining area and a kitchen complete with a fridge, a microwave and a stovetop. Popular points of interest near the apartment include Museo de Oro, Capital University Museum of Three Cultures and Limketkai Center. The nearest airport is Lumbia Airport, 9 kilometers from the condominium unit. The condominium unit is 23 square meters studio with overlooking the hustle-bustle city of Cagayan de Oro, swimming pool and recreation area. The place offers a kitchen, complimentary high-speed internet access, a dedicated workspace, 42 inches HD TV with Netflix, elevator, window AC unit, coffee maker, hot and cold shower with bath gel and shampoo, towels and hand soap provided. A welcome amenity is also offered to every guest, providing our personal touches to elevate your experience. Our guest can also drop off their luggage in our dedicated reception area. At this condominium unit, you can guarantee your safety as we have security personnel on site and 24/7 security cameras all across the property. Strategically situated near Centrio and is masterfully planned and designed to suit the evolving market of Cagayan de Oro City. While staying at this property, you can visit Luna Artisanal Lifestyle Store by Oro Creative located at the ground floor of Centrio Ayala Mall. If you're into sleeker and more uniform designs, then you'll love the space created by Oro Creative at Centrio Mall. Luna Artisanal Lifestyle Store sports clean black walls and shelves really highlight the different products and art around the store. Each color you see just pops and adds so much texture to the area. The designers just know how to guide your eyes to where they want to. You can definitely steal their idea for your own place. You can also stop by Rigby's Cafe. Everyone and their mothers knows how delicious and diverse the selection of food is at Bigby's Cafe, but only a few people talk about how much the interior design contributes to the dining experience. Going to Bigby's is an adventure for all of your senses because of how each aspect of the place is constructed. From how the food is served, to the brightly colored chairs and tables, to the wall decorations that take you to the most picturesque destinations in the world, it just makes each bite so much more memorable. If you are into designs and craftsmanship, the designers of Elysee Cafe are truly masters of showcasing how beautiful the nature is at Cagayan de Oro. Their flora-filled establishment makes for awesome backgrounds for your roots and dots or drink of the day. But don't sleep on the modern design of their indoor spaces, which mixes in contemporary paintings and colorful decor with the lush greenery. And finally, our last recommendation for you to visit is Tie Me Up. This restaurant takes natural lighting to a whole other level with their giant glass windows, or should we say walls? The spatial design of the place is amazing since it has just enough shade to keep the interior cool but bright at the same time during sunny days. The bright colors of the furniture and decor provide a welcoming aura that every place worth a visit definitely needs. Getting around Cagayan de Oro from the property is very easy. You can take a jeepney along Clark M. Recto or Ramon Chavez Street. You can also use Uber and Grab Taxi, which is available 24 hours a day at the convenience of your phone. If you drive your own car, you can park the car just opposite the tower for a fee of 200 pesos for 3 hours, or at the condominium tower, which is more secured, for a fee of 300 pesos per day. You can also walk to Ayala Centrio Mall for 10 minutes, and along the way, you'll find some restaurants and pubs. The condominium unit can only accommodate up to 2 guests. Guests can check in anytime after 2 in the afternoon, and check out before 12 noon. Late checkout will be considered on case-to-case basis. Quiet hours in the building is from 10 in the evening until 6 in the morning. We offer hassle-free self-check-in with lockbox so you can maximize your stay at the unit or your time in the city. Commercial photography is allowed in our unit. Just let the host know. There will be no parties or events allowed in the unit. Smoking is also not permitted inside the unit and within the condominium premises. There will be extra cleaning fee of 5,000 pesos if found smoking inside the unit. This fee is to cover the cost of deep cleaning and the loss of business for putting the unit into out of service to completely remove the smoke smell. As a host, I aim to make my guest stay as comfortable as it can possibly be. My mission is to help my guests create beautiful memories in my cozy home. For me to do so, I would truly appreciate it if you can follow these additional house rules, which is also stated at any booking sites. There will be no shoes within the house. Please leave your shoes at designated shoe rack. Firstly, please wash your dishes after use. If dishes are not washed, extra cleaning fees may be applied. Secondly, please acknowledge that on occasion, we may leave consumables such as condiments or snacks left behind by previous guests if they are not empty. We try our very best to ensure that it is not expired or stale. However, ultimately, it is up to the guest's discretion and inspection to consume these items if they wish. The host does not take any responsibility for the consumables. Third, please do not rearrange the furniture. Fourth, if guests are found to have had a party without host permission which results in extra cleaning, guests will be responsible for extra cleaning charges, and in the unfortunate event of disruptions alerting neighbors, guests will be asked to vacate the property immediately. Fifth, if guests are suspected of carrying and/or using illegal drugs of any kind, the authorities will be engaged, and guests will be asked to vacate the property immediately. Lastly, because this is an homestay, not a hotel, and is also my home when I stay in Cagayan de Oro City, please be respectful of the property and keep it clean before you leave. Thank you for understanding and abiding by our house rules. For our guests' convenience, we provide guest service manual containing important information about the property, recommendations and important hotlines to contact in case of emergency. Why spend for an expensive hotel where you can stay in a modern and luxurious feel condominium unit at very affordable price? Book our property now and avail our current discounts and promotions. You can book through Airbnb, Agoda, Booking.com, VRBO, Hotels.com, and TripAdvisor Vacation Rentals. We offer up to 30% discount for long stays for a minimum of 1 month. Check the links on the description below to book you home away from home in Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. We are looking forward to hosting you to my humble, modern and luxurious condominium very soon and experience the difference from all other home stays like you had before.